Welcome to Ceylon Advisor. Yes, we have come to a place, Bambarakiri Ella. It's 25 kilometers away from Matale city. It's a nice waterfall, so let's go inside and see what's there. So especially it's a hidden location, so let's see what's inside. Let's have a look.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Ceylon. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Really amazing, right? We really enjoy the place, and you can see there's a waterfall, goes down along, and we are in a bridge which has been made to cross the two villages or something. So it's a really nice place. So I invite everyone to come see here. I can see paddy fields and the mountains over there.
I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Ceylon. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly up.
I think you will really enjoy this place. The children are playing, and the waterfall over there, the water lines go, it's natural water.
Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Ceylon. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Ceylon. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
And like have a chill out and all for a holiday. The weather is very sunny as well. Guys, yeah, do like our video and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon and click all notifications to see our next videos. Thank you.